Today I want to walk through the Classic Plus Double Hung. The Classic Plus window series features a full family of products. Everything from double hungs, double and triple sliding windows, casements, awnings, picture windows, and even bows and bays. The Classic Plus product family has everything you'll ever want and need for your home. The Classic Plus window features 4 wood grains: a light oak, dark oak, cherry, and a Brazilian cherry. The window also has 2 solid colors, soft white and beige, 6 standard exterior colors, along with the ability to do exterior custom colors. The window is 100% virgin vinyl and features our 12-point fusion welded technology, so both the frames and sashes are welded to give you a perfectly square window every single time. As you look at the edges of the interior of the window, you'll notice the amount of visible glass you get with the window. We all want more light in our homes while keeping the heat out in the summer and the cold outside during the winter. The window design and glass definitely accomplish this. Another one of the many things that make the Classic Plus window unique is the sill dam. On many vinyl windows, the sill dams open at the bottom, but with our manufacturing technology, we're able to telescope the sill dam right into the window frame so it will never separate, and it will also keep bugs, pollen, dirt, air, and water outside the window where it belongs. The window also comes with our compound mitered slope sill, so when rain hits the window, the water naturally drains away from the house. The frames and sashes are also foam filled. This helps improve energy efficiency and reduce outside noise. As you look at the window, you'll notice the lift rails extruded right into the window, so it makes the lift rail more durable, and most importantly, it makes the window easy to operate. In addition, our window features the upgraded constant force balance system, which makes the window sashes easy to both raise and lower. When we raise the sash, you'll notice these night latches that come out and allow you to vent the sashes a few inches with some added security. When we go to unlock the window, you'll notice the heavy-duty zinc die-cast dual locks. Dual locks are standard at 24 inches and wider. The window also passes the AMA structural forced entry test. In addition, the window comes with an air infiltration rate that is 400% better than the acceptable industry standard. To tilt the window in, you simply unlock the window, raise the sash above the sill dam, press the tilt latches towards the locks. When we go to tilt the sashes in, the window actually has a safety feature built in that locks the sashes in place so they don't fall out when you're tilting them in. As we look at the inside of the window, you'll notice lots of weather stripping and bulb seals. This helps give the window a tight fit and keeps air and water outside, again, right where it belongs. The Classic Plus window also features a full interlock. So when the window's locked, the interlock draws the window together, giving it a tight fit. That also helps keep Mother Nature out and also gives the window some added security. As we turn the window around, you'll also see the beautiful beveled exterior, so when the window's installed, it looks like it belongs in your home. As we move into the glass system, the Classic Plus comes standard with stainless steel intercept. There are several different types of spacers out there, including aluminum spacers, tin-plated spacers, and non-metallic spacers. But by Zen making the stainless steel intercept standard, the outside edges of the glass are going to be 8 times warmer than the standard spacers, and that means less chance of condensation on those cold winter mornings. There are a number of glass packages available, including dual glass, triple glass, even laminated glass. Because we have different high-performance glass designed specifically for your region, ask your local Zen representative what the best glass package is for your area. The Classic Plus window comes standard with a locking half screen with full fiberglass mesh. This locking screen gives some added security to the window. It also slides up and down and is easily removable. The window comes standard with a double lifetime limited warranty, which includes a lifetime warranty on the vinyl, all the parts and pieces of the window. It's warranted against seal failure. Even glass breakage warranties are available. Our warranty also includes a lifetime labor warranty. And when the time comes to sell the house, both the product and labor warranty are fully transferable to the new homeowner, so they get the same great warranty you enjoyed. Finally, the Classic Plus window has a multitude of options that can be customized and will give you the exact look, feel, and appearance you're wanting for your home.